everybody, I just wanted to give a quick review on Tilami. They are a great brand that gave me a great backpack and a lunchbox. I bought the backpack from them first, and it has cute little donuts, so it's really great, and it's a rolling backpack, which is great because I had a really heavy backpack that really hurt my back, and because of all my textbooks, so this really helps so that my back isn't constantly hurting. And then we got a lunchbox. And this is not the original one that I ordered because the first one that I had broke, but Tilami was very understanding and they had great and quick customer service, and they gave me this one in return since my other one broke. And I really love it. I love the big pockets in the front and back of the lunchbox and the backpack. The only thing I would fix is the second pocket. I wish it was a little bit bigger because I can't zip it all the way because of my folders. But other than that, it's really great and I really love Tilami.